Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can activate 50 megapixel camera in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. Go to the camera in your phone first, and here you are seeing 3:4. Okay, there is a aspect ratio of this photo. Okay, if you click it, and you will see another option is another option also. Okay, see here, click it. 3:4, under 3:4, it is written that 50 megapixel, 50 MP. Okay, so in this way you can activate 50 megapixel camera, and you can now take a photo, and this photo will have 50 megapixel. Okay, if you want to have the normal mode, click it, and this is low level megapixel camera. Okay, so in this way you can easily activate 50 megapixel camera in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.